Hi, welcome to Sci-Fi Props once again. So I'm printing the side panel. This has been going all day. What's it, 98% left, and it's printed quite nicely. But one of those unfortunate things that happens is that I've noticed a little problem, and you probably see it down there. It's where it bolts on. There's a set of those around. It's where it bolts onto the head. I've actually got a cap, which means I've got to touch that up in Fusion, which means no print is going to be reprinted. It'll still work, but it just won't look right. But at least this is testing how my printer is printing, and it seems to be printing okay. So although I've got don't know what that hole's from, whether that's in the actual Fusion file. It looks like it, so, but it's printing okay. If you want to get an idea, this area here is where it has three kind of lugs where three pipes come off that run to the neck, and these holes on top is where that plate sits on top that's got tetraval on it. So at least I know that works okay, but it's probably going to have a reprint if I come back to the model over here. For example, I've got the bolt holes around here where it will fit on. I have finished adding the extra plates, all the plates on the extra side and on the sides here, so you do get that appearance of panels on panels. So that side's done and that side's done. Obviously I'm going to have to fill some of these areas in later, but it's actually looking quite good. So that's where I am with the progress at the moment. As I say, it's always one of those things when you beta test something, and in my case beta test something that I've created, that I have to do some modifications. I've already adjusted the 3D model, and oops, going out of focus there, and I'll update those files on the OneDrive, on the Patreon OneDrive, if you're actually one of my Patreons on my Sci-Fi Props Patreon site, so that's covered. What I do want to do is see how well those bolt heads slot into those grooves. If I have to make this a bit larger to fit the bolt heads on, then I will. And that may be something also I might have to reference. For a lot of my build, I'll be using, these are just, I don't know if they're stainless steel, I don't think they're stainless steel, they're just zinc bolts, Philip head, dome heads bolts. I think a lot of the actual original, they use what do you call them? Allen key type of bolts. So if you want to go for more accurate, you might want to use a different type of bolt head. But anyway, I'm just using Phillips head because it's easy to bolt things together. Allen's heads, I did originally use those on my first earlier projects, but I've just moved over to these. Anyway, that's my latest update. I'll post another video just showing that side panel fitted on, so you can see what it looks like. Anyway, thank you.